Sneezing, also known as sternutation, is an autonomic reflex that's very difficult to do while keeping your eyes open. The mechanism as to why this is the case is still unknown. However, relatively recent evidence from Cell Press suggesting that there is a sneeze area in the brainstem known as the ventral medial spinal trigeminal nucleus, abbreviated SPV, because why the hell not, might actually have connections to higher order centers of the brain, meaning that there may actually be an underlying pathway that causes you to close your eyes when you sneeze most of the time.